Hey guys, sorry it's a bit loud in here, but I was going to show you a quick video of Smokey, my bird. You won't see her, but I'm afraid she's gonna want to bite me. I'm gonna back away from her. Yeah, Smokey looks like she wants to bite me. But so Smokey is acting a little strange. She's not acting strange before. But I have no clue what's wrong with her. I just put my hand by the tooth. She just went ow and flinched from me. And I have no clue what's wrong with her. She just kept an attitude with me and flew to the other side of the cage. And I'm like, okay. So I'm not gonna go near her, but let me try to zoom in on the bird cage from here. I really won't be able to. Let me try again because I highly suspect that she won't let me see her. Ignore that light over there. That's cell phone. Birdie, birdie, birdie! Smokey baby, what's wrong? She had tail bobbing a little while ago. I seen it going on. And that's when I noticed something was wrong again with her. So Smokey is doing the same problem again. Tail bobbing, fluffing herself up. And Anthony had noticed her fluffed up big time, which is 2 days ago. I have no clue when, but I knew it was 2 days ago. So Smokey is still sick. Hope she feels better.